Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm. This is my adapted configuration for my storage tank. I've slid it up, used a steel hose clamp, a little Gorilla Tape in there, and a little Velcro to kind of squeeze it in there. All right, it's time to get a good look at one. All right, so you can see here that factory one. Fuel line does go over the top, but there's so much more room up here, and it's lower. Yet, despite that, I can see that hose is turned more, and that pushes that line past the starter. And then that hose seems to take a dip all the way down. Oh no, not quite, no. That back hose doesn't quite dip down all the way, it just turns and goes down. So that back hose may not quite be right. So it turns more, T is beyond the starter. The bottom hose just kind of makes a lefty and goes into the port there. So that's a stock XR650L and the way that looks. This is relocated, so it was above here for stock, it's now below, because this is bigger and lower, and this is lower as well, and it kind of interferes with the storage tank the way it is. So this is a fuel injection line here that I got from the auto store. Easy enough. You just got to get the right inner diameter, which is about 7 to 8 millimeters or so. 7.9 is tough. I mean, it's real tight. You just got to get close, right? Don't have to be perfect, just get close. And you can throw the old fuel line in your toolkit, you know, for a later day. So I'm pretty happy with this. This is moving pretty freely. It's not wedged up against anything. And the first big day seemed to go pretty good. So just keeping an eye on it, and everything should be fine. I do want to trim this hose clamp off a little bit better. I think I really butchered that, did a terrible job. All right, so thank you for watching me, Christopher Thunder from Rider of the Storm. This is your storage tank adaptation for large fuel tanks. Thanks again, bye-bye.